So we just started walking, and there's these dogs coming up. Come here.
Oh, they're so cute.
Come on.
They look like they belong to somebody.
Oh, come on.
We got toys. They're so cute. Come on.
Look at that one.
I want to like them for touching them.
Look at the 2 Yorkies. How do I zoom?
You can't. I don't think you can.
Yeah, I can, but there we go.
Here we go.
Look at the Yorkie. Look how adorable. Come on. Look at that white one over there. That white one doesn't look. Oh, look at that one. Come here.
Those dogs are so cute.
They're getting in trouble. The dogs are getting in trouble.
But they're so cute. I can never punish a dog like that.
I am adorable. Those dogs are so cute, but they're getting in trouble. And I see a woman looking out the window, thinking, what the crap are these kids doing?
Touching our dogs. You're touching.
I know, but they're so adorable. You gotta look at them.
I know, but I'm glad we came outside.
Oh, that's a little girl.
They're looking at us. What is she looking at?
Oh, she's like 8.
How you know?
Saw her before coming over here. Dogs are so cute. Aren't they? Well, I'm probably gonna go.
You can get in trouble by touching these dogs.
I know. We can. Not very good idea. But weren't they so adorable?
Are they?
Well, they are. That white one doesn't like anybody. Those 2 little Yorkies I like the best. I'm gonna go back over here.